be simple machine. I have written on the board. You can easily see this simple machine, and I would like to explain further the types of simple machine. First type of simple machine will be an inclined plane. What is an inclined plane? Inclined plane is a slope. So I am going to explain with the help of an activity. So I will make an inclined plane. You may understand better. So you can see that this is, I will make slope of this scale. So what is basically what is a slope? Slope that is having a one level is at the lower level and one level is at the high level. What it makes? It helps us to move the load easily. So if I want to lift this load from here to here without inclined plane, it will take my time as well as my energy. But if I will use this inclined plane, so I will just lift it like this and it will save my time as well as energy. So this is inclined plane. So next type of simple machine will be pulley. What is pulley? Pulley is a simple machine that also helps us to make work easier. So I will explain you with the help of this model. Earlier you have seen that people use pulley to take out water from out the wells. So they use pulley. So this is also a simple machine. We will use a bucket of water and it will just fill it. We will rotate it and it will also make, this is also simple machine because it is also making, it has grooves and it is also making like grooves are in the shape of screw, and this is also making a screw. So we can, it will save energy as well as time, and people can use it to draw out the water from the wells. So third type will be wedge. What is wedge? Wedge is also an inclined plane. But how? Wedge is inclined plane, but I will explain that. You can see this is a knife and it has an inclined plane. How? Because when we make knife, the carpenter or somebody else who prepare the knife, what they just sharp the one end of the knife and it will sharp. It can sharp it becomes very sharp and it can help us to cut everything easily. So that is, it is a wedge and it is also an inclined plane. Inclined plane, this is also inclined plane, but wedge is also inclined plane because one end of the wedge is also inclined and help us to separate two things. And one more example of wedge is X that people use to cut out wood into the pieces, down the folds. Next we have screw. What is screw? Screw. Screw has grooves on it. These are called grooves. You can see easily on the nail that it has grooves on it that help us to hold two things together. Here you can see this is also a nail. It has grooves. What it helps? It helps us to hold two things together. This wood is connected to the wall. How? It is joined with the wall with the help of screw, and this is bottle. Bottle opener is also type of screw. But how? You can see it also has grooves. When we rotate it like this, it helps us to join two things together tightly. So this is screw. Next type of simple machine is wheel and axle. Do you know what is wheel and axle? Basically, you know what is wheel. Everybody is aware of wheel. Yes, this is wheel. Every vehicle has wheel. Yes. So what is axle? Anybody? No. So what is axle? So beta, every vehicles you can say that has a wheel and a connected rod, that is called axle. You can see this toy. These are the wheels and they both are connected with rod, single rod, that is called axle. So that is called wheel and axle. Any other example can you give of wheel and axle? You can tell. Anyone else? Wheel and axle, steering of car. That is connected. One rod is there. That is connected down of the vehicle, and the wheel is steering is upstairs. That is wheel. Any other example of wheel and axle? That we use every day. Pencil and sharpener. This will be wheel, and then that is fixed. It is axle. So next, last type of simple machine is lever. What is lever? Lever is basically a simple machine that is connected to a fixed point, and two levels are movable. That is called lever. What lever helps us? Lever helps us to load the things easily. Like it is of three types. I will explain you its types, then you will be easily identify the type of lever. First type. So it is of three kinds. First class lever. First class lever. Have you taken seesaw in your eyes? Yes, that is also an example of lever. So in a seesaw, what happens? There is a fixed point, and two person can load. One can pull it like this down, and other can go up. So that is first class lever. How? Because fulcrum is in between load and effort. So in first class lever, fulcrum is between load and effort. So that is fulcrum, and here you can see I am making a picture of slide. So one person can sit over there, pull it, and other can go upside. So here this rod is connected in the center with the help of fixed point, that is called fulcrum. So in first class lever, fulcrum is in between load and effort. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second class lever. So in second class lever, load is between effort and fulcrum. So you can see a stepler. I am using example of stepler. What is fulcrum? A fixed point is called fulcrum.
Yes.
So here fulcrum is here. You can see, and load will be here. If I want to stepler, I will just hold it from here like this. Understand? So here in second class level, load I will apply.
Load in the center.
Load will be in the center. So effort will be there. So that is called second class level, and next is third class level. Third class level. So example of third class level is scissor. So here it was possible. So beta, in third class level, effort will be in between. Effort is between fulcrum and load. Effort is between fulcrum and load. You can see example of a wheelbarrow. Like person take a wheelchair. You can say wheelchair. Wheelchair is example of third class level. One person can hold from here, and that wheel is connected to that the fixed point, that is pulley. You can say that box with the help of tire at the end. So that is third class level. So after that, I would like to show you a chart that will easily able to identify the type of lever. aware about them?
Yes.
It is in hospital that we used a person that is broken with its his or her legs to move into the upstairs. So that is also a example of inclined plane. Next, we have read about a second type, that is pulley. Pulley is there. It also has fixed point, and it is also simple machine help to draw out water out from the well. You can see flag. When we hoist flag, it also has pulley in that, and it helps us to move the flag up in the air. It is also type of pulley, and third type was wedge. You can see axle. It has inclined plane because when we shaft one end of the wedge, it will become inclined and help us to split two things from one. Doorstep is also example of wedge. And third, next type was screw. You can see screw beta already there is screw. It has grooves. You can see it has grooves on it and help us to hold two things together. Next is wheel and axle. I also explained earlier that it has fixed that movable part is called wheel, and a fixed rod that connect the two wheels is called axle. And every vehicle has wheel and axle. Next type was lever, and that you can see lever has these three parts: fulcrum, load, and effort. What is fulcrum? A fixed point where a simple rod is connected, that is called fulcrum, and where we apply our energy, that is called effort, and on which thing we do our work, that is called load. So seesaw, we use seesaw in our daily life. Children use seesaw. That is an example of first class level. Stepler, the scissor. That also have the examples of level. So, any question from your side? You want to ask any doubt? Any question?